You ever been in that situation where one of your reptile rooms is getting too hot or too cold and you have to go in and open or close the HVAC vent, sometimes more than once a day? Well, today we're going to review a product that might help with that situation. It's a smart vent, and we're going to show you sort of the ins and outs of it, and you can decide if maybe it's a solution that you can use. Before ordering our smart vent directly from Flair's website, we removed our old vent to measure the exact size we needed. Every room with a Flair vent needs a Flair thermostat called a puck, so we purchased the vent and puck as a set. There wasn't much to putting the vent together. The cover came off and we had to install a battery holder and batteries. The instructions talked about an option to connect a power cord to the vent, but using batteries, the default power option, was a lot easier. After securing the body of the vent into the same holes that the old vent used, we attached the cover. The pucks will run off either USB or batteries. We tried both options successfully. After powering on the puck, we installed the app, paired the vent with the puck, and assigned them to a room. We set the desired temp and haven't had to make any adjustments since. The app indicates the real-time temp and whether a vent is open or closed. It also keeps useful records of temperature fluctuations. We like these vents a lot, and at this point we've ordered them for all of our snake rooms. They don't give us perfect control of ambient temps, but they certainly make it easier to avoid extremes. During the day, the vents open when rooms get too warm. At night, they close so that the AC doesn't make our heaters work harder. Be sure to leave feedback and ask questions in the comment section. If this has been helpful, like the video, subscribe to our channel, and most importantly, enjoy helping your snakes thrive.